Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99, costs you nothing. I'm just saying, like, if this is not your first time watching the video, then at this point, you might just want to hit the subscribe button. I'm just saying. Okay, let's continue on. So over here, I do a hybrid budgeting style where a lot of my things are digital, but I still like to write things down in my A6 binder, like tracking my expenses and keeping a daily planner, which I don't necessarily show y'all the daily planner thing, but we track expenses together and making like brain dumps and plans like that right there. But like my general budget and just planning out the months, I do on the computer. So if that interests you, again, feel free to hit subscribe button. Today, we're going to be doing our closeout of paycheck number 1 for August because paycheck number 2 for August has already come. You guys, I am telling you right now, prepare to be confused because I feel like I'm already going to be confused. So prepare to be confusion with me and just be paying attention. So if I need your help at the end of the video, you can be like, girl, no, you missed this. Because what's happened is there's a lot of things going on because in my birthday month, people have been sending money. I'm moving money. There's a lot of just things going on. And then the paycheck for this second paycheck of August already hit. That's why there's money in the bank. She ain't got no money in the bank. She got some money in the bank. Come on. Okay. However, and I'm having a wonderful day. It's not even my birthday today. Tomorrow's my birthday, but today has been absolutely amazing. And if you stick around at the end, I'll show you some stuff I picked up from Sephora on a gift card that was free that I won on a live, and also my Ulta free birthday gift. I forgot I got these things for free. We love it. If it's free, it's for me, right? Let's go. We did enough talking. So let's see here. First, we need to clear everything. So if you're not new here, you know that the whole goal for this August 1st paycheck is to make everything bright green. Things that are in gray or whatever have not cleared yet, and we need them to clear in order for us to say we've done it. Okay? So we know, let's see if we can find a good spot to start at with things going clearing. Okay, so let's see if we start right here, because what was this? $230, that's cash limit. Okay, so let's start here. $1 for Navy Federal was cleared on the 8th. So here is that dollar. We'll make that a green. We'll make that green because it has cleared the bank. And then we see $233.50, which is our Nissan payment. On a roll, here it is, $233.50. We'll make that green. Amazing. Now, we have $42 in and out here. What the heck was that for? Oh, okay. So we put $43 and then we withdrew $43 because that was $43. That was $42 that we put in for our savings account, saving money that we saved, and then we put it into our saving challenges. That was our saving challenge money that we saved and we put it into the bank. So I am going to, I guess I'll put that, we'll go ahead and add $42 here into miscellaneous money. And then we'll take it right back out under other, which is the savings challenge money usually. So it's plus 42. And that will be, not that, I need a note. 42 savings for the August savings challenge, which I finished so earlier, y'all, that I didn't get a chance to share it with you guys much. Okay, so that should zero that out. That's what happened here. We saved $42. We dropped it off at the CVS to put in the cash, and then we moved it to our saving challenge. Then we have this is our student loan. So $70.67. Boom. There we go. Gonna make that green. And then we have $312.80. That looks like it was paid. Okay, so this $312 was actually paid to the credit card, and that includes the car insurance and the electric, I believe. So let's just double check by adding $171.08 plus $141 is $312.08 exactly. So those two got paid on the credit card. and then we paid them out of the bank. So they cleared also. Great. We have 36.76. That's the water, you guys. For some reason, this month's water.
On Friday. Celebrate the start of the weekend with your Alexa routine. Hope you have a good one.
Thanks, Alexa. I don't know if y'all heard that, but she was saying our 5 o'clock on Friday spiel. Okay. Have a good weekend, y'all. So then 36.76 is actually what, that's not 36. 36.76 is actually what we ended up paying for water. We'll make that green and update the amount. And then $25 went to the credit card for our cell phone bill. So I got paid on credit card. I saw it come out on the credit. I saw it come out on the credit card, so I paid it through our account. Then $30 was sent to my mom, like I told you guys about for all the things. It's the Jerk Festival in September for Labor Day. And I sent my mom the money for the tickets so that she could go buy mine. And so that $30 came out. And then I got money. But I feel like that was, what is this? Cashapp. What is this? Ciao. Okay, this is Selena sent me birthday money. Shout out to Selena. Selena Bright sent me birthday money. She is a subscriber. Shout out to you, Selena. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You really didn't have to, but I'm so appreciative. She sent me $50 for my birthday. So miscellaneous, more birthday money. More money, more money. I think the first 60 was 25, Bunny, B-Day money, kind of rhyme, 35, Patricia, more, B-Day money, and then there was $42. What's $42? No, $42 was our savings challenge money. I'm just updating it, y'all, so that I understand what's in here. And that was not birthday money. That was savings challenge money, which is same because we're going to use it for our birthday. And then now another $50 from Selena. Selena's for B-Day money. All y'all who sent me B-Day money was, first of all, everybody's an OGG Grateful Gang member, okay? But y'all, God bless you. Stay safe, and may God continue to keep you and bless you all. Okay, amen. So she sent the money, and I moved the money from there over to my birthday fund. So let's just say I put an additional 50 over there. Okay, and so that was the in and the out. Where's the in and the out? There's the in and the out. Okay, so Google then sent me money, but I actually do not want to handle this right now because I'm like, did we clear everything else? I want to talk about that on the next check. So where's my internet money? I guess I do have to talk about it because this comes after this. Okay, so we got some money from the YouTubes. Shout out to y'all because only way I get some money from the YouTube is because y'all are watching. I have noticed my goal was to make $100 every month. I don't make it every month. I think I get it every other month, which to me is amazing still. We will get there one day, but thank you for all of y'all who do watch my channel, who definitely comment, hit the like button. I see y'all and y'all know I talk right back. I don't be ghosted nobody. I'll be like, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you because there are lots of videos you could be watching and I'm glad you chose mine. So thank you. There will probably be a short coming out on how I'm going to break down that money. I did sit down with one of my friends and talk about it. So there is a plan for it. I just don't want to tell you on this video because we don't got time for that. Okay. So YouTube check. Look at YouTube check. 178, 98, 10%. I can tell y'all for sure though, 10% is going to tithes and the 20% is going to taxes. That thing, the thing I don't want to think about. That's why I didn't say it. Okay. And so then we have $80 going to coming out for the internet. Okay, amazing. So everything literally except for, let's make sure I'm not lying. So this is just a buffer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I didn't mean to do that. I just was trying to make it clear. Okay, so everything except for the buffer amount and this amount Actually, let me take the buffer amount out. That's what I was trying to do. I don't know what I was trying to take it out so I can get the full actual amount. So everything minus the 2714 for the security cleared. And it actually did clear, you guys. I shouldn't say cleared. It got charged. So if I look in buy by debt, it's sitting in pending right here. The Vivint 2714 is sitting there. I actually just made a payment for it. For the 20, you'll see pending payments 2714 schedule, but I don't know that it hit yet. It hasn't removed itself yet. So that's why we're not showing it. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move this 2714 into the next paycheck, clear it from here, because technically it's not coming out of there. Okay. And so everything is green and our buffer should be 232.35. So at this point, it said we have 231.63. Lord, what is the difference? 230, that's not it. 232.35 minus 231.63 is 72 cents. Who is really about to try and find 72 cents? I would normally say me, but I don't think so. Because I'm so that girl that'll really try to find it. Really try to find it. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys on hold for 1 second. Let me see if I can figure it out really quickly. If not, we're really not gonna worry about 72 cents, y'all. We really can't. We don't have that kind of time. Okay, guys, so that didn't take me as long as I thought it was. I found the 72 cents. So what happened is it looks like I overpaid on one of these. So the car insurance was only supposed to be $171.08 and $141 for the electric, and I paid $312.80. Instead of $312.08. Let me take a look, see real quickly over here. Go back it up. Payment. That's July. 312.08. But where is it? 141. Yep. So State Farm was 171.80. Oops, 171.80. Boom. Okay. So let's bring it back. Okay. Not there. We shall overcome. I'm gonna press the right button. Okay. So wait till we get into the next check. So where are we? If I say so one more time, listen to me. 231.63. Boom. There it is. Before the paycheck comes in. 231.63, 231.63. We got a lot of money. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to roll that all over and roll it over. We're going to roll it over into the next check and handle it when we get that check. We'll figure it out then. So at this point, we're going to put that 178.98 was from YouTube. And then we had originally 231.63 minus 178.98. 52.64 is being rolled over. 52.64. So this obviously we have more money over here, but 213.63. I guess we'll put that in other because we don't have like a rollover situation. 231.60. Wow. What? 231.63 is going to be rolled over as 178.98 for YouTube money and 52.64 as just balance, like what was left of the balances. Okay, girl, you need to actually put that plus 231.63. Okay, so now we're at a what? Zero-based budget for August 1st paycheck. We will handle all the things come this here. Ooh, yes, because this includes this. I just want to be clear that the 52.64 is actually going to be minus the 27.14. That includes that. So we really had like 25.50 left over as rollover money so far, which makes sense because we had $19.99 originally, plus the additional extra leftover money we didn't use for water and stuff. So, okay, I just want to make sure the math is mathing and we're not girl mathing. Okay, y'all. So that is it for paycheck number 1 of August. It is zeroed out. We've gotten to a zero-based budget. All the bills have been paid, sort of that one pending, but it will be paid. And I will be back before you know it to reconcile, to allocate out our paycheck number 2 of August. I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day. Bye. Remember, it's faith over fear, y'all. And this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, 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 Bye. Just love you, mean it. Bye.